How to find someone on Instagram without knowing their username. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to find someone without knowing their username on Instagram, then first thing, just head over to your Instagram application and make sure you're logged into your account. So since you don't know the person's name, what you can do is you might or you should know that if they have been to certain places in the recent times or not. So if they have been and certain places name is on your mind, then simply search for that particular place just like this. So let me just quickly search in for a particular place, and I'll just tap on the search button over here, and just scroll down until you see the scroll right way until you see the places option. So just tap on this, and if you know someone from this particular region, just tap on this particular region, and based on that, if that person was or were available on that particular places, so they might upload their photo with their hashtag of this particular place, and you can simply find them just like this by simply locating them from over here. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.